Hello, happy week 36. This is the second to last video for Phi Ed for the entire year. Holy cow, we are almost there. And then it's 3 months of summer. And then you're back in the building. But for right now, second to last one. And for this week, the secret code, I want you to tell me what you're looking forward to, what you're nervous about, what you're curious about for 8th grade. So as you start thinking about transitioning from 7th grade to 8th grade, being the most, senior class at the middle school, the oldest kids in the middle school, new teachers, new classes, higher expectations, things like that. Just kind of tell me what you're thinking about before you transition to 8th grade. So just tell me that for the secret code for this week. We're almost done. We're so close. Final push. You've got it. As always, if you have questions, please reach out to me. Please let me know. Otherwise, enjoy your week. Bye.